This video gives you an overview of Ring Floodlight Cam and some basic wiring techniques. Before installing your Floodlight Cam, we suggest watching all of the install videos so you become familiar with the process. We've included a printed manual for reference as well. Note that if you live in an area where doing your own electrical work is illegal, or if you're unfamiliar with household wiring, hire a registered electrician to perform this install. Meet Ring Floodlight Cam. This is the camera. This is the speaker. And this is the motion sensor for the floodlights. These knobs let you adjust the angle of the lights. You may want to loosen the knobs and point the lights straight up to get them out of the way during installation. Loosening the lock collar at the base of the lights lets you rotate them to your desired direction. This is how Floodlight Cam comes in the box. You'll notice Floodlight Cam ships with the camera rotated upside down for protection. This is the camera lock collar. Loosen it so you can rotate the camera 180 degrees, so it's the right side up. Then tighten the camera lock collar to hold the camera in place. Inside your Floodlight Cam, there are two wires with wire connectors attached. The brown wire is the hot wire, and it connects to the hot wire from your household circuit. The blue wire is neutral and connects to the neutral wire. This is the earth post, which connects to your yellow and green earth wire. If your household wiring isn't clearly color-coded, consult with a registered electrician. This is the mounting bracket, which secures your Floodlight Cam to your wall. Your power wiring enters through this gasket. You secure the bracket using these mounting screws. This hook is for hanging your Floodlight Cam from the mounting bracket while you're connecting the wires. These small cap nuts secure your Floodlight Cam to its bracket. You'll need to install your Floodlight Cam and wire it to power before you set it up in the Ring app. As we mentioned in the previous video, you'll want to loosen these adjustment knobs and point the lights straight up. This keeps them out of the way during installation. You can also use this lock collar at the base of each light to rotate it in the desired direction and secure it later. You'll then need to loosen the camera lock collar to rotate the camera 180 degrees so that it's right side up. Tighten the collar to hold the camera in place. Note that if you live in an area where doing your own electrical work is illegal, or if you're unfamiliar with household wiring, hire a registered electrician to perform this install. Before you begin installation, shut off the power to the circuit you plan to use for Floodlight Cam at your fuse box. If you're not sure which breaker or switch controls the circuit, you can switch off the main power switch. Once you're sure power is off, uninstall your existing light fixture. Unscrew it, then carefully pull it away from its mounting bracket. Now, detach your power wires from the light fixture. Then you can remove your existing floodlight and set it aside. Next, unscrew and remove its mounting bracket or backplate. If you're not replacing an existing light, you'll need to run power cabling to the install location in accordance with local electrical codes. Be sure to install Floodlight Cam on a vertical wall, not on an eaves or overhang. The optimal install height is 3 meters, or about 9 feet above the ground. Now you'll install the provided bracket. First, cut a hole in this gasket to fit your power wires, then push the wires through. Line up the mounting bracket on your wall so that the two posts are level with the ground. Then screw it to the wall with the provided mounting screws. You are now ready to wire your Floodlight Cam. Now that your mounting bracket is installed, let's wire Ring Floodlight Cam. Note that if you live in an area where doing your own electrical work is illegal, or if you're unfamiliar with household wiring, hire a registered electrician to perform this install. There should now be 3 wires coming out of the mounting plate: a brown or hot wire, a blue or neutral wire, and a green and yellow earth wire. First, hang your Floodlight Cam from the mounting bracket using the included hook. Then take the earth wire and loop it around the ground screw on your Floodlight Cam. Tighten the screw to secure the earth wire. Next, Connect the brown wire from your household circuit to the brown wire on Floodlight cam using the attached wire connector. Once the wire is inserted, tighten the screw to fix it down. Then connect the blue wires. Finally, snap the wire connector into place on the mounting bracket. You are now ready to secure your Floodlight cam. After wiring, remove Floodlight cam from the hook. Fit the extra wires inside the case. Then position your Floodlight cam over the mounting bracket. Line up the mounting posts with the mounting holes and press the posts through the base of your Floodlight cam. Make sure your Floodlight cam sits firmly against the mounting bracket. Then attach the screw cap nuts. Use the ring screwdriver, which happens to fit these nuts, turning them until they're secure. Now loosen the light adjustment knobs and set the lights at your desired angle. You can also loosen the lock collar to rotate the lights. Once you've found the perfect angle, tighten the lock collar and the adjustment knobs. You're almost done. Now, restore power to the circuit at your fuse box. If you have a wall switch that acts on this circuit, you'll want to keep this in the on position, since turning it off will cause your Floodlight cam to go offline. Place the included sticker over your switch to remind others not to turn it off. Once power has been restored, the lights on Ring Floodlight cam should briefly turn on, so you know that they're working. The bottom light will also begin flashing, and your Floodlight cam will begin speaking to you.
Say hello to Ring. Follow the instructions.
You should step off the ladder to complete setup in the Ring app. We hope these videos have helped you to install your Floodlight cam. If you need further assistance, you can reach our support team 24/7 by visiting ring.com.